You just opened up your brand new Vitamix and you're super excited. But there's a few things that are kind of weird or intimidating about it, right? So, let's go over what you should expect to experience. Before we get started, I would like to invite you guys to press the like and subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be alerted when new video content arrives. Also, please support Blending with Henry by making your Vitamix purchase using my links below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. Now, this way I'll be able to continue to offer you guys the best content and more recipes. Your financial support is very well appreciated. Alright, you've been waiting all day and finally your new Vitamix just arrived at your front door and you're beyond excited, right? So, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Upon opening the box, you'll see your container and the recipe book. There's a flap to the left that conceals your tamper. Now, Vitamix does not fill the box with a bunch of tiny sub-boxes in certain sizes wrapped in plastic, making it impossible to repack and return. Like Ninja. At the bottom of the box is your Vitamix motor base, and it's the only part of the machine that's wrapped in plastic. Now, even the power cord is bubble wrapped. Whether you purchased a reconditioned model or a new one, this is how it will look, brand new. Reconditioned models go through a 17-point inspection and they receive a new housing. They are absolutely a steal. Now the container, tamper, and recipe book are all brand new. Some models will come with a brown box and some will come with a picture box, like the Vitamix Ascent A3500. Now, just because your Vitamix is packaged in a brown box doesn't mean it's a reconditioned model. The way to tell is to look for the white sticker either on the back of your Vitamix or on the bottom. It will specifically say reconditioned on the tag. Now what I really like is that Vitamix puts the month, day, year, and time your Vitamix was built or reconditioned on the label. If your machine is new, it will not be labeled reconditioned. First, it's loud! Now, some Vitamix models do have sound dampening built in, but at the end of the day, they're loud. Did I mention? It's loud. And also the motor may sound kind of rough. Now that's because it's a very powerful motor. And that's why commercial establishments use them, smoothie shops, restaurants, because they want to achieve commercial quality blends. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned veteran, many Vitamix customers have these three concerns in common. Fear of disturbing their nearby neighbors in their apartment complex. Severely intimidated by the powerful Vitamix motor. They tend to run their Vitamix on lower speeds because they feel the motor is just too powerful. So what they do is create a safe zone by increasing the speed to a level they are comfortable with, such as speed 6. Now they are proud of this and they give themselves a big thumbs up. This is absolutely the wrong thing to do, you guys, and I'm going to demonstrate why. Smoothie shops and coffee houses tend to use this Vitamix commercial blender. The 6 buttons are presets programmed for specific applications and are programmed to run at the highest speed for frappes and smoothies. The Vitamix Ascent A3500 also uses pre-programmed presets for specific applications. Now I'm going to press the smoothie preset. Now on the screen you'll see the speed and the countdown timer. Notice how the speed is gradually increasing to speed 10. Now this is also the proper way to do it, you guys, if you were using the variable speed controller. And also, you don't have to baby your Vitamix, you guys. These machines are workhorses. It'll probably outlast every appliance in your kitchen. When creating a smoothie, I'm going to show you why you should absolutely not use any speeds below speed 10. I'm going to turn it up to speed 6. The blend is now stalled because there's not enough power to break down the frozen fruits and blend them with the liquid. Now I'm going to turn it up to speed 10. Now notice the ingredients at the bottom are liquefying. And now the vortex is created and is pulling down the ingredients from the top. Running on lower speeds with a load also overheats your Vitamix since the fan is not running at top speed. It's only at its highest on speed 10. Lower speeds are for mixing and chopping. The Vitamix Growl has become iconic with all Vitamix machines and is very normal. Now, if you don't hear it, then you're doing something wrong. Are you smelling smoke after making peanut butter in your Vitamix? If so, I'll bet you thought you messed something up. But what about that smoke? Could it be perhaps something you burn while cooking? No. or could it be just the dry ice that I used to demonstrate the burning smell of your Vitamix? Yeah, that's it. Except you'll never see smoke in your Vitamix. So, what's actually going on? When making smoothies with frozen ingredients, frozen desserts, and nut butters, you may experience a burning smell. Now this is normal. Now what happens is the motor windings are curing. Now don't worry about it if you don't know what that means, okay? Just to let you know, it's normal to have a burning smell. Now it will go away over time as you start making more heavy blends. Now, this wouldn't be the Blending with Henry show if I didn't share with you how the peanut butter turned out. As always, rich, creamy, and warm. Now, I'm actually using the silicone blender spatula sold on the Vitamix website. Now, it comes in red. I have the Henry exclusive green color. Speaking of accessories, you should accessorize your Vitamix purchase. Just like a car, you need floor mats. Just like cookware, you need utensils. Now this is just a few, such as the silicone blender spatula, the underblade scraper, stainless steel straws, blending bowls, and cups. Also, check out the Vitamix Food Processor Attachment Bundle. It includes the food processor attachment, multiple processor discs, and the stack and store case. Include an immersion blender package in your purchase as well. It's an amazing kitchen helper. Now, once you build your Vitamix Complete Kitchen, the sky's the limit on all the delicious recipes you can create. Now, if you guys like this or other quick Vitamix related videos and tips, leave me a comment below the video. Let me know what you'd like to see. I'll try and do it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much. I always enjoy our time together. I do all this for you. Please support me in return. The links to purchase the Vitamix products are below the video and on blendingwithhenry.com. See you soon.